Hey guys, it's Rebecca from Destination Wonderland. I want to take you on a tour today of our deluxe studio here at Aulani, and I'm also going to show you one of the 2-bedroom villas. Let's go! This is the floor plan of the deluxe studio villa that we're staying in. It sleeps 4 people. You've got a queen-size bed and a queen-size sleeper sofa and a good-sized balcony with a couple of chairs, a kitchenette, and a closet across from your full-size bath. So heading inside, we've got our kitchenette right here with the sink and fridge and microwave, and there's actually a toaster up in the cabinets there. And from there into the main part of the room, we've got a nice full-size mirror and some drawer storage. The bed is a queen size, and they were really comfortable. A lot of outlets and USB on the nightstands and the dresser. There's a little table, and there is another chair on the other side of the room that you can pull over if you want to eat there. Our balcony here, and we have an ocean view room, and it's important to note that ocean view does not mean ocean front. It just means you can see the ocean. So we're actually looking past the Four Seasons next door. And there's the sleeper sofa that's queen size and storage in the ottoman. Good size TV, but you can't really see it from the sofa. So that's important to know. And then the bathroom's pretty large with a lot of storage. There's a hairdryer in there, a lot of towels and more towels in the closet. And the bathtub and shower do have a regular nozzle and a rainfall shower head. Here's the floor plan of the 2-bedroom villa that I'm going to show you. It is over 1,100 square feet, and you can sleep 9 people in here. So you enter through the kitchen. There's a full kitchen and a dining room area, and then a living room with a queen-size sleeper sofa and a twin-size pull-down bed under the TV. Then you have a king-size bedroom with a split bath. And on the other side, you have your second bedroom, which in this case, because it's considered a lock-off 2-bedroom unit, it's just a deluxe studio over there. So it's exactly like the room that I just showed you that we're staying in. And you'll have your queen-size bed and your sleeper sofa over there. You can also get a dedicated 2-bedroom unit, and that will have 2 queen-size beds instead of the queen and sleeper sofa. And the balcony layout is a little bit different on those also. Here's the list of amenities that are available in the 2-bedroom villas at Aulani. You have pretty much everything that you need to cook a full-size meal. Most of these things are also available in the 1-bedroom villas as well because they have the same kitchens. We're starting in the living room, and there is plenty of seating for everybody, a nice big fold-out couch and several chairs. And over here under the TV, there's a fold-down Murphy bed that's pretty good size for a child or even a small adult. Be careful not to let it fall on your foot like I did. Heading over here into the dining area, you have a really good sized banquette with some extra seating tucked underneath, and then a full-size kitchen with everything you're going to need to cook a meal if you want to do that, or just store your snacks and drinks. There's even that rice cooker right over there. Full-size fridge, which is nice. Here's the main entrance to the unit. And then we head into the split bathroom off of the master bedroom. So you've got your sink and toilet and shower here. And then in a separate room with a door, you've got another sink and a jetted tub, which looks into the master bedroom. And you can close those louvered panels if you want to. So this is really good size, and a couple people can get ready at the same time. This is the master bedroom with a king-size bed and another TV, bureau with drawers and a desk area. There's going to be a private patio or balcony off of this unit. This is a first floor unit, so it's really cool because it's got locked access to the pool area. You don't have to go through the building. Now we're going to head back out into the living room and go straight across to the second bedroom, which in this lock-off unit is exactly like the deluxe studio. So you'll have your queen bed and your queen-size sleeper sofa. You can also get a dedicated 2-bedroom unit, which is going to have 2 queen beds in the second bedroom. In that case, you would also have only 2 balconies, whereas in this one we have 3 separate balconies. One off of the master bedroom, one off the living room, and then this other one here off of the second bedroom. Over here, you've got your little kitchenette that comes in all studios. So it's, in this case, you can use this as just a second little area to store some snacks or drinks. And across from that is your second bathroom with the full-size tub and shower combined and separate toilet. One thing that I noticed was that the door to the bathroom and the door that's in between the main part of the bathroom and the toilet area are just louvered panels. So there's not a lot of privacy. You might want to consider that depending on who you're staying with. So as you can see, these 2-bedroom units are really spacious. It's a really great layout for 2 families traveling together or an extended family, or if you just want some more room to spread out. So that ends our tour of the 2-bedroom and the studio villa here at Aulani. We have really enjoyed staying here. The rooms are just beautiful. So we'll show you the grounds and the main building in another video. If you enjoyed watching, please like and subscribe. And as always, you can find our information in the show notes if you'd like to contact us about planning your trip to Aulani. Thanks for watching.